For sale, 2019 Ford F-250. Super Duty utility truck equipped with an 8-foot Knapheide service body, designed for field service, maintenance, and utility work. Powered by a 6.2-liter SOHC V8 gasoline engine producing 385 horsepower, paired with a TorqShift 6-speed automatic transmission, it delivers strong performance and dependable operation for both on-road and worksite tasks. Built on a 142-inch wheelbase with a GVWR of 10,000 pounds, it features a single 4,400-pound front axle and 6,340-pound rear axle, supported by spring suspension for reliable load handling. The Knapheide utility body provides multiple lockable compartments for secure storage of tools and equipment, keeping workspaces organized and accessible. Additional features include a towing package for hauling equipment or trailers, rear view camera for improved safety, and cruise control for enhanced driver comfort during longer trips. The truck's 8-foot body length offers ample space for cargo, materials, or custom upfitting. Finished in white with a gray interior, it has a clean Carfax with documented service records, an accident-free history, and has been fleet maintained, ensuring it is work-ready for immediate deployment.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership, because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.